Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to set up your mic with Ventrudo. First, you have to go on setup when you open Ventrudo. Then, if you bought a mic, you click on this one. And if you just want to talk to people through the mic on your PC that came with your PC, you just click default, the default one. But I'm not going to click that because I have my own mic. And this thing over here, this controls how loud you are. Like, if you're too loud when you're talking to people on a server, then you can decrease it. And if you're not as loud, then you can increase it. And to test out your mic, you click monitor. And the larger the numbers, that means the louder you speak. Yeah, so if you have like really big numbers, then that means you're speaking pretty loud. And that is mainly how you set up a mic on Ventrudo. Thanks. Bye.